We've had a lot of snow last couple days, especially a lot last night. I just took the sled out and brought a bale out to the cattle. This is our dun bull. You can see the Highlands, boy, they've got some good insulation on their backs. You know, it's kind of interesting about them is people see them and they think that they're a yak. They actually are related to yaks, and they can breed with yaks, but the offspring will be sterile. So there is some connection between the Highland cattle and the yaks. So she's a registered Highland. He's not registered. We think he's full-blooded. That's what we were told he is. We don't have papers for him though. This little guy here is the calf of the red cow and the dun bull. He was just born a year ago today here on the farm. This girl here, she's a red Angus heifer. She's part Hereford. And then these two here are black Angus Herefords. And they have a little bit of Brahman in them. Just a little tiny bit. That's what that white patch is on them. They have a little bit of white. They got a little bit of Brahman. So I just gave them a bale. I used my sled here. It's a pretty useful thing out here in the winter time. And they are out here in the snow, but they can go into the barn anytime they like. They obviously like it out here because it's kind of funny how snow covered they are. They were out here in a big storm pretty much, and they just stayed out in it. So they like the cold weather. They don't have any flies to worry about in the cold weather. That's one benefit. And these Highland cattle, well, they think they're back home in Scotland. You hear the bull, he just bellowed a little bit. I'm not sure why he does that, if he's greeting me or if I'm getting a little too close to him. He's a good boy though for the most part. Well, I'm going to sign out here in a minute. Well, she's got some thick fur. They have two coats of fur, so they're pretty much immune to the cold. But it's nice and cold out here. Not as cold as it was the past couple days. It was about 0 a couple days ago. Today it's about 14, which is considerably warmer. She's got icicles coming down her coat there. So, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and sign out now. My hands are getting kind of cold. And I will talk to you later.